Hi friends, this is Ramya and welcome to my channel.
Today I am going to discuss about how gardening improves our well-being. Have you ever noticed the electronic gadgets we use produce heat? Yes, all electronic gadgets that made our life so easy and comfortable like cell phones, microwaves, speakers, fridge, television and so on. Every device that runs on electricity will produce more or less harmful electromagnetic radiations. In simple, they all produce heat that increases our room temperature. There is no particular evidence, but few studies say that continuous exposure to this harmful radiation in long run will cause skin related diseases, brain tumors, migraine and even can cause cancer. Here comes the role of nature. Plants can absorb harmful radiations. Do you know that? Yes. We all know plants work by taking all carbon dioxide present in the environment and then converting it into fresh oxygen that allows us to breathe better. Plants will purify air by absorbing all electromagnetic radiations emitted from our living gadgets. Thus, plants not only add beauty to our home, they also improve our well-being. Gardening is nothing but growing plants. It may be indoor, vegetable or flowering plants. Gardening is best hobby which has lot of benefits attached to it. There are several indoor plants which acts as best air purifiers in closed rooms. When the electronic gadgets releases heat, thereby increasing room temperature, that can be minimized by these indoor plants. I recommend 5 best indoor plants which acts as best air purifiers and also needs less maintenance. Snake plant, spider plant, aloe vera, peace lily and erica palm that are easily available in any nursery. So, instead of buying costly air purifiers, why not we get a air purifying plant at very low cost? There are also few herbal plants like tulasi, lemongrass, wheatgrass, ilachi that can detoxify our body, thereby improves our health. So, why not we grow a herbal plant that prepare our own green tea instead of buying a sachet? See how plants are cost effective? You know, these days farmers are using lot of harmful fertilizers and chemicals to increase crop production in terms of quantity, size and color of vegetables. Consuming these chemically grown vegetables are also showing serious effects on our health in long run. Few think it is very difficult to grow own veggies as they need lot of care and maintenance and thus often end up with indoor plants and flowering plants. Actually, when compared to the effort we spend to benefits we get by growing our own veggies are much bigger. In this pandemic situation, we are adapting many lifestyle changes and improving our health. So why not we start with gardening? Believe me, leafy vegetables are very easy to start with as they don't require much space and very soon you can enjoy the harvest and eat within 3 to 4 weeks. Eating organically grown own veggies will make us more healthy. If you have lot of space and loves green, you can always give it a try. Don't worry, you can find many YouTube tutorials on growing veggies. As terrace gardening, growing our own vegetables in terrace has become more popular these days. Imagine the confidence and energy it gives when you eat what you grow. Gardening also shows its impact on mental health. It is proven fact that plants reduce stress, anxiety and depression. When we sow a seed and wait to sprout, unknowingly we develop patience, which is very essential quality lacking in this present generation. Plants have very good positive aura, thus spending time with plants helps in reducing negative thoughts. Try it. When you make your kids take part in gardening, they start to develop love towards nature and environment. Breathing fresh air, eating own organically grown vegetables that helps in improving our well-being in this present situation is a real blessing. Somewhere over the decades, man lost his connection with nature. Let us try to reconnect with nature and enjoy its real blessings. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Love green, go green.